What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you can convert USDT to Bitcoin on Binance. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, we will go to the Binance. Now, searching for Binance will bring up this website. We'll go to Binance.com. And the Binance.com, this is how it will look. You just have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you have to click on this Buy Crypto section. After clicking on Buy Crypto section, now we are trying to convert our USDT to Bitcoin. So first of all, you just have to go to Sell. Now, after going to the Sell section, you will easily be able to sell your USDT. You just have to select whichever the cryptocurrency you want to sell. In this case, you just have to select USDT, enter the amount you want to sell, and then the money you will be receiving. You can receive it in any of the local currency, could be dollars, sterling, pounds, or any of the local currency according to your country. And then you just have to click on this sell. Currently, in my case, I do not have verified my ID, so it is telling me to verify and sell. But in your case, it will just tell you to sell, just sell it. And then you will have some money. Once you have some money, you just have to go to the buy section. On the buy section, you just have to select whichever the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So here you just have to select Bitcoin. I'm just going to search for Bitcoin. There you go. Bitcoin is right down there. Select Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to buy, and you just have to pay this amount in your local currency to get one Bitcoin. Just click on this buy, and you will be able to buy it right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to convert USDT to Bitcoin. Hope you guys find this video helpful.